This is my first step in restoring my Lenco B55 turntable. The counterweight here is missing, so I'll try to put another counterweight. This is from my dual turntable, and I will try to make another counterweight here, and still you can adjust your tracking force. And this is what it looks like. You can also adjust this one counterclockwise and clockwise. This is my DIY tone arm rest for the tone arm of my Lenco B55. and this is a wood. It came from this wood. It looks like this, and I cut it off and make my own DIY. And also the bolt here is I salvage this one from my electronic appliances. This one, the bolt with a nut. So I will try to paint this one with a black matte. So this is now the color of my DIY tone armrest, and this is made of wood. The black part is made of wood, and this one is a salvage screw from my electronic appliances. And I finish this one with a polyurethane clear. So this is now my finished project. This one here is my DIY tone armrest. Also this one, my DIY counterweight. And this is the original Lenco stroke guide to adjust the speed. This is stable. On the inside part, this is what it looks like. There. And the rubber coating. Stay tuned for my next video. I will try to play this one. So that's all for my Lenco B55 restoration, and hope you subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.